Tan Songyun, also known as Seven, is a Chinese actress. In 2022, she starred in Flight to You. The same year, she also played Our Times and Master of My Own. In 2021, Tan terminated her endorsement contract with the clothing manufacturer Nike after the company put out a statement that they will not use cotton produced in the Xinjiang region of China for human rights violations. In 2020, Tan starred in the period action drama The Eight produced by Chen Kaige, slice of life family drama Go Ahead, and period drama Dear Mayang Street. She garnered a modest fan following in the next couple of years owing to the roles she played. In 2021, she starred in the historical romance drama The Sword and the Brocade. The same year, she also played Fate Makes Great. She gained more attention in 2012 after starring in the hit historical drama Impresses in the Palace. She then starred in youth dramas The Whirlwind Girl and With You. Both dramas gave her more recognition and popularity. She won the Most Promising Actress award at the Ikea All-Star Carnival for her role in With You and the Best New Actress award at the Wedding Awards for My Whirlwind Girl. In 2019, Tan starred in the historical mystery drama Under the Power. Forbes China listed Tan under their 30 Under 30 Asia 2019 list, which consisted of 30 influential people under 30 years old who have had a substantial effect in their fields. In 2017, she starred in hit romantic comedy drama The Fox's Summer, which won her the Best Actress Award for the Network section at the Asia New Media Film Award as well as the Golden Bone Flower Awards. The same year, she starred in the youth sports romance drama My Mr. Mermaid. In 2021, she worked in movie August Never Ends. In 2015, she worked in movie The Spring of My Life.